Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. First of all, I am extremely sorry for uploading the video very late. It is because I am traveling and it's vacation time. Packing, traveling, jet lag and meeting all friends and relatives, it took really very busy time that I couldn't upload video. Once again, I am extremely sorry about that. In this video, I will be sharing the review about our flight and travel as well. Keep watching till the end. This is our backyard in Canada. You can see all green plants have grown. I did not plant any of these plants. As soon as the weather changed, it grew all by itself. Maybe the previous people who were staying in this house, they had planted these flowering plants. Most of them are flowering plants and I did not plant anything. Usually I will be having lot of veggie garden as well as indoor plants, but this time I did not choose to do anything of that kind because I knew I will not be in the country. I will be traveling. So this summer vacation, no gardening. Even lot of herbs also started growing by itself. It's really miracle of the nature that they regrow as it is by themselves when the weather becomes nice and fine. Especially in spring itself, you can see lot of small shoots coming out, and by the summer it will be well grown. These Christmas trees also have to be nicely watered, otherwise they will dry. So every day we water all these plants and it is doing good. In our backyard, it is a nice place to have evening tea as well as sometimes we also have dinner over here. In Canada, in the month of June itself, nice sunny weather. The sky looks really very beautiful. Every day it will look different but very beautiful as well. Maybe it is very closer to the northern areas that the sky always it will be colorful or either it will be looking beautiful. Still in June itself, we can see that in the evening time it will be nice cold chill winds with the sunlight. It will be nice and pleasant. I am going on a vacation to India, my country. Very happy and super excited. Now when I'm traveling, it is only me and my younger son will be traveling to India. Our travel plan is from Toronto to Chennai. We chose to travel with Air India. As we booked the tickets at the last moment, whichever airlines was giving us the best price, we chose to buy those tickets. It is a very long flight, almost 14 to 15 hours flight from Toronto to Delhi. First, our break was Delhi and it was full international one flight. In this video, definitely I will give you the review about the Air India. Basic with every flight, what you will do, keep all your vaccination cards and as well as otherwise if you are not vaccinated, the PCR report and Air Suvidha is very important. All you have then hard copies, that is much more comfortable. Otherwise opening the app and if it doesn't work, it will take a long way. Vaccination card with QR code is very important, so keep everything ready. This is Toronto Airport. Now boarding started. It's a really long queue. Flight journey was as usual nice and fine, but there were little bit hard times. I will surely share with you all. Compared to other flights, the Air India service was really poor, not up to the mark. Next, the food we ordered never came. I don't know how the real Muslim meal, special Muslim meal we ordered, that never came to us at all. They instead gave us the Jain special meal. They swapped, something wrong went wrong and they swapped our meal with somebody else. When I complained to the air hostess, she is telling that this is the special Muslim meal. Can any Muslim meal be without any non-veg and very bland with potato and cauliflower? Then other air hostess accepted that it is a special Jain meals which has been swapped for us. The people sitting next to us received the special vegetarian meal which was much more looking appealing with nice paneer tikka masala with rasmalai and gulab jamun and so, but this Jain meal was so bland, tasteless, and we had to eat it. That is the biggest disappointment, and that air hostess was not ready to accept that something went wrong at all. Restroom was absolutely utter waste. It is, I would give only 10 marks for 100 for the restrooms. It is that bad. One thing advantage is they arrived an hour earlier, hour to 45 minutes earlier than their scheduled time. We were about to land at 11:45, but they landed at 11 o'clock itself. Now we have arrived at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. There was a beautiful wall art just instantly when you enter from the airport towards your immigration check. This beautiful wall art, underneath that there are many counters where you have to go for your Indian passport for immigration clearance. In the opposite side, there will be for international immigration clearance. Of course, it's a very crowded airport, and for immigration clearance, very long queue, had to wait for at least half an hour. One good thing happened traveling in Air India is all the immigration check was over in Delhi itself, because that is our entry inside the country. Then what was the problem is the luggage we carried have to be again taken by us, and again we have to go and check in for the domestic flight. That's a very big problem, and it's a very big strain also for people who are traveling in such a long distance. Really physical and mental stress taking out all our luggage and again going and checking in and going for the flight. For this domestic checking also, it is very long queue for the security check. Everywhere in Delhi airport it was really long queues and it was crowded, no social distancing. People were just running here and there all by themselves, rushing in. Like anybody who wants, you can go and rush in between and make yourself stand in first. Nobody was patient enough to wait in queue and take their turn. Finally, we boarded the flight for our final destination, that is Delhi to Chennai. Even in this flight, they gave us some refreshment that was also not at all tasty. They gave some special noodles for kids, like they brought it for my son. It was tasting so bad and it was also smelling also so bad. Instead, the normal snack which they gave was also not up to the mark, like how you will feel that you will have special meals in flight. No. Anywhere in Air India, I never tasted good food at all. Finally, when you arrive Chennai, you can see the beach. The overview of Marina Beach was very beautiful while landing. The feel of landing in my hometown is very happy and can't explain in words at all. That too after very long time, after pandemic we are coming, and it's very wonderful time and very happy feeling too. Even in my busy schedule, definitely I will try to post some videos from India. Sure, keep watching. Hope you all like this video, and people who are traveling from India to anywhere else, hope this video is informative about Air India. The review might help you all. Sure, check on it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.